Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our two
Which best describe the Cold War race between the Soviet Union and the United States to build Europe after World War II battle over who would control the Korean Peninsula during the 1950 a fight to prevent the communist takeover of Cuba, a struggle between the Eastern Bloc and the West that lasted 40 years. Also, the question is a struggle between the Eastern Bloc and the West that latest 40 years. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you. As I soon again, thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our channel.